Right now, a large part of every day is spent right here by the old window. And I've got everything I need. I've got my face mask. I've got my coffee. And I've got my banjo. And that's pretty much all I do. I sit by the window, I drink coffee, talk to neighbors, practice my instrument, and when I need to go outside, I wear my face mask. And other than that, a lot of reading the news, a lot of watching the news, a lot of recording with friends in town and abroad, quarantine style, which is great. You get a chance to work on stuff that normally wouldn't have. But other than that, it's just a lot of worrying and hoping things get back to normal sooner rather than later. And we all make it to the other side healthy and ready to face what comes next.
You know, before all this started, we had it pretty good. Playing music, concerts, events, weddings, all the time, every day. It was like steady work and steady fun, and that all came to a grinding halt. So it's gonna be a while since we can get back to that life. We had it really good. Don't know how good we really had it until now we don't have it, and we all miss it. We all miss playing music together. But this is more important, our lives, everybody's lives, and we'll get back to it as soon as we can, and then it'll be even more fun when we can get back to it, because then it's gonna be, it's gonna be exciting, super exciting, and we're all gonna be just full of ideas and energy, and everybody's gonna be happy to see us, and it's gonna be a big party once everything's over. But until then, it's just a time to stay safe, stay healthy, buckle down, do learn a bunch of stuff, write a bunch of stuff if you can, and keep it going. Probably, it'll be a while till we get to go back to being full-time professional musicians, because we play for the public. So we can do recording stuff, and we can do you know, stuff that doesn't involve, you know, the public, big groups of gatherings of people. But what was I gonna say? So yeah, probably had to get, who knows, Amazon. We're all gonna end up working for Amazon one day, I guess. Get paid in food cards, gift cards. We're all gonna get paid in Amazon gift cards one day. But anyway, until that beautiful day when everything's done, everything's over, we get back to socializing. We're all gonna be good at socializing. We'll all either be terrible at socializing again, or we'll be really good at it. But it'll be a great day when we can.
Hello, Carlos from the Feetwarmers saying hello from my home. I'm very impressed by a lot of things right now, especially the medical field and all the first responders all around the world working tirelessly to help and protect those who are in need of help right now. And all the people who are staying home and doing their part is a very big thing that they're doing for the world, showing concern and appreciation of life, especially for those who are very vulnerable to this situation. It's really a sight to see the world, and I mean the whole world, working together to take care of one another. I really hope this continues after this is gone, so all of our lives can be much more pleasant experience. And with that, I say, P.S. Mother Nature is healing as well from all her wounds. And while she rests, don't forget to love thy neighbor. Cheers, mates.
Hi, this is Justin in my front yard in Los Angeles with the California Feetwarmers, introducing the video for or our song Wrap Your Troubles in Dreams for the Doorbell and for our good friends in Lugano, whom we all really miss and wish we could be there now or soon. And then in answering a question, one of the questions about composing in isolation, it's I find it difficult. I really hope that so many people are finding this as an opportunity, to have rich and vibrant imaginations. A lot of times a lot of great things come out in hardship, and I'm really hoping that will happen for a lot of people. But I do know that also amazingly, we don't lack the technology to keep collaborating and to keep writing and working on things and producing things. So that's a blessing. But I think that it's, at least for me, mentally, with things so uncertain and so out of balance, and your mind constantly feeling scattered and going between fear and hope and following the news all the time. It's hard to find the quiet moments where you can sort of trust yourself enough, or just shut off the world enough to create something spontaneously. And I really hope that will change and get easier soon. And I hope that no one else has that problem but me. So, yeah.
When skies are cloudy or gray, they're only gray for a day. So wrap your troubles in dreams and dream your troubles away until that sunshine peeks through. There's only one thing to do, and that's wrap your troubles in dreams and dream your troubles away. Your castles may crumble, that's fate after all. Life's really funny that way, but there's no use to grumble, just smile as they fall. Weren't you a king for a day? Say, just remember that the sunshine always follows the rain, and wrap your troubles in dreams and dream your troubles away. Your castles may crumble, that's fate after all. Life's really funny that way, but there's no use to grow. that the sunshine always follows the rain, and wrap your troubles and dream your troubles away.